Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate GST on purchase price in Excel. So here I show you three practical methods to calculate GST on purchase price in Excel. So let's see the first one. So you can see I have data, and to calculate GST, select the sale is equal to select the purchase price, add here the asterisk sign and select here the GST percentage. Press the enter and here you can see the GST amount is calculated. Select the sale, double click on this corner point to fill below data. And next to calculate total purchase cost, select the sale is equal to select the purchase price plus then select the GST amount and press the enter. Same as select the sale, double click on this corner point to fill below data. So this is the first method to calculate GST amount on purchase price. Second, purchase price including GST. So here first select the sale is equal to select the purchase price, add here the asterisk sign in bracket 1 plus select the GST percentage and bracket closed and here enter. So here I select the sale and press the F2 to show here the formula. You can see the B2 is the purchase price and 1 means the original 100% and C2 is the GST percentage. Here the Excel adds the both together and returns the final amount including the GST. So understood? So press the enter and select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data. And next method, split GST into CGST and adjust T. I just click on the third sheet. So here select the cell is equal to select first purchase price, then add the asterisk sign. In bracket, select the GST rate percentage, then divide it by 2. So bracket closed and enter. And here you see the 9% GST, CGST here calculated. Same as here also select the sale is equal to select the purchase price, add the asterisk sign in bracket, select the GST percentage, divide it by 2, bracket closed and enter. So you can see the both amount here calculated 99 percentage. I select the both amount and you can see the total amount 4,500. Okay. You can see the bottom side in Excel showing here on status bar 4,500 sum. Okay. So here if you want to cross check is equal to I select the purchase price, add the asterisk sign and here the GST percentage. You can see the total GST here the 4,500. Okay. So I select the board and double click on this corner point and here you see GST and GST here calculated without calculating the total GST first. And then last one, total purchase cost is equal to purchase price plus CGST plus add GST and press the enter. Select the cell, double click on the corner point and that's it. Here you can see the total purchase cost calculated. So hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.